Hey guys, welcome back to What They Talking About Wednesday. And this Wednesday we are talking about the candle day that is happening at Bath and Body Works. This is an annual event that happens and the early access starts on December the 1st. So you have to sign up through the Bath and Body Works app to get that access. All other sales will happen in store or online the 2nd and the 3rd. Now, if you're planning to use any of your rebate apps to get gift cards, you want to go ahead and start that process today. So to redeem points on Swag Bucks, you're going to log into the app, go to your account, click on Redeem Swag Bucks. Then I scrolled down and looked at gift cards that I can afford. I then put it in list view and continued to scroll until I saw Bath and Body Works. And as you can see, has a discount of 10%. So to get a $25 gift card, it would be less 10%. Then to get it on Fetch Rewards, just log into your account, go to Redeem Rewards. I typed in Bath and Body Works and I selected $25. Get your reward, use points, and as you can see, it can take up to 3 days to get the reward, so it's cash in now. Now, it has been confirmed that this year's candles will be on sale for $9.95 each, which is a phenomenal deal. So sign up for the VIP access today via the link. If you don't have any of the rebate apps, click the link in my bio to join today. See you all for Candle Day. Thanks for tuning in for this week's What They Talking About Wednesdays.